Hey, Rob Romarino here with Sentry Equipment, and this month's 3-minute tip is about changing your parts and why. So let's get started. Look, this is not merely an egregious way to sell parts to our customers. Changing these wearable parts is so important for your machines. You know, our machines, for ice cream machines, are an investment, and there's a great return on investment when you're buying an ice cream machine. A cone, it costs you 35-40 cents, and you're selling that for $3.50, depending on your market. To maintain these machines, to maintain the product quality that you're handing out to your customers, there's a few parts that you need to change. And these parts need to be changed regularly to maintain the equipment and the performance. I can't tell you how many times that I look at a service bill for a customer that is $1,000, $1,500. It happens, but the reason it happened is because they didn't change a hose, $11. They didn't change an O-ring for $4. They didn't change a set of blades, you know, that cost about $100 a year for the blade system. Because we didn't change these parts, we're getting component failures, we're getting downtime, we're down a day where we can't serve customers. We're not getting the proper overrun and product quality, so we're losing food costs and we're losing margin, okay? We're not sanitizing our machine properly because we don't have the proper sanitizer. All of these things take money out of your pocket, okay? We need to be proactive, not reactive. We need to make sure we have parts on hand, so if something does happen, if we're changing or cleaning our machine and a hose breaks or an O-ring breaks, we have parts backed up that we can put in there. We've done these blogs and these tips every year with our customers, and we really want to impress upon you to work with us, call us, email us. We will educate you on what's needed, what you need to have on hand. We are providing stickers that we can put right on the machine that are routine maintenance charts. You can actually write in when the last change date was, so you can better educate yourself and your staff and stay on top of it for changing your parts, all right? Our machines are built very inexpensive to maintain with wearable parts, but you have to be cognizant of what needs to be done, and you have to make it a priority in your store, because if you do it, you'll maintain the equipment performance, the durability of the equipment, and the product quality. Eliminate downtime and be able to operate efficiently throughout your season. So that's how important these wearable parts are with our electro-freeze machines. At Sentry, we're here to educate you, teach you, make sure you understand it, and provide a fair price and package for you so you can stock this equipment, have it on hand to maintain your machines throughout your season. So please call us. We can send you our equipment maintenance part. You can put it right on your machine, and then we can make sure we send you out a package of parts for your upcoming season so you have them on hand all year. Time's up. Thanks so much. See you next month.